Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Python 101 Mastering the Python course. In the previous video, we installed VS Code and Python. As you all know now that Python is like a magic wand that you can use to create anything you can imagine. So let's get started. Now grab your favorite seat, take your computer, and let's dive into the exciting world of programming. Writing your first program can be an exciting experience that can open up a world of possibilities. In programming, we will start by introducing the basic concepts of programming, then we will dive into more advanced topics. So without wasting our time, let's get started at programming. Okay, let's get started. The first thing we need to know is how to print something to the screen using Python. In Python, we can use print function to do this. Let's try it out by printing the phrase hello world. So first, we should create a new file. You can name it anything. I am naming main, and you should always create this file by using .py in the end. So the computer will know that this is a Python file. Let's minimize. Let's write some code. First program, let's write print and bracket in double quote. You can write hello world, and let's run this program. But before running, you should install this extension known as Code Runner. And now that you have installed this extension, let's start. And as you can see, the hello world has been printed on the screen. Let's see, D is a function, and every function is written inside a bracket. Any text we have to insert, then we have to insert in the double quotation mark, and whatever is inside the double quotation mark will be printed on the screen. Let's have fun while writing the print function. You can insert in the print function, such as if you want to print your age or numbers, like hi everyone. And if I run this, see, it has printed the hello world and hi everyone. You can also print the number like 10. And if I run this code again, then see that the code has run 10 in the screen. Let's dive to the next topic, Python comments. Comments are used to explain what our code is doing, and they are ignored by the Python interpreter. We can create a comment by using the hash symbol. Let's add a comment to our code to explain what is a print function. So here we can add a comment like hash and that it prints the hello world. The comments are very useful. Here we have added a comment to our code to explain that our code prints function. Comments are a great way to keep your code organized and easy to understand. And if in advanced lecture, when we are creating big projects, the comments are very useful so that we will know that where is the code written and what is the code. When you are working with a team, it understands the other member of the team what has the code written. Now that's enough for today's video. With that, we have completed this video, and there are more basic syntax in the next video. But wait, the video is not over yet. As you remember, this course is full of quizzes, puzzles and questions. Read the following question and comment down below in the comment section, and I will give a like if your answer is correct. The question is, create a program to print your name and age, and write comment for better understanding. And that's it for today's video. In the next one, we will write more code and things will get even more exciting. Don't forget to comment below with your answers to your question. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video of Python 101 Mastering the Python course.